Welcome to SmartyDesk. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating your first project. After logging into your account and navigating to the dashboard, click New Project. You can either create a project from scratch by selecting Blank Project or use one of the available templates to get started quickly. Enter your project name, set the category as hourly or fixed price, and assign a due date. After that, assign the project lead and choose your project's color. After that, decide whether the project will be private or shared with your team. After that, set up tasks using default or custom templates and define task statuses. You can also enable apps such as Priority, Time Estimate, and multiple assignees to streamline your project management. Next, select the views like List, Board, or Calendar to manage the project, with List set as the default. Once everything is ready, review the details, assign tasks, and click Create Project. Your project is now ready to go. Stay tuned for more tips.